Hey, this is Aiden at Workman Firearms. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own gun cleaner and lubricant. Now, we get this recipe from the Army Marksman Shooter team. All of our instructors, all of our coaches here at Workman Firearms, we use it and we love it. Now, if you put a lot of rounds down range, you know that you have to consistently clean your firearm and make sure that it's well lubricated. And if you're like the average person who goes out, buys some Hobby's gun cleaner or some CLP for lubricant, you know it costs about 10 to 15 bucks every time you go out. You're not going to need that anymore. This concoction will last you a lifetime, and it's relatively very cheap. All you have to do is go to your local AutoZone or any auto shop, purchase these ingredients I'm about to tell you what you need, and it's going to run you about $35 to $37 for a lifetime of gun cleaner and lubricant. Now let's talk about how we actually make this and what ingredients you need. Okay, so what you'll need. You need about 2 quarts of STP fully synthetic motor oil, 10W30. Each one of these are 1 quart, you're gonna need 2 of them. One of those are gonna cost you about $7 to $9. Next, you're gonna need some STP automatic transmission fluid. Just get one of these, it's 1 quart, that's all you'll need. Moving forward, STP oil treatment 15-ounce bottle. And lastly, 5-ounce bottle of Hobby's bore cleaner. All of this cost me $35.41. That's it. So around 37 bucks for me to make a gallon of gun cleaner and lubricant to last me the rest of my life. It's a great deal. Now let's talk about mixing it. Now a couple of the things that you're also going to need is a funnel, definitely going to be handy. A rag just for cleanup, and paper towels. Now let's get to mixing it. Okay, so let's get to making some gun sriracha. First, get that paper towel, lay it down. Put your gallon jug on there. Now the first thing we're gonna put in is that fully synthetic motor oil, 10W30. Remember, 2 quarts. I wanna just slowly pour that in. 1 quart down. All right, 2 quarts of that fully synthetic motor oil. The next thing we're gonna be putting in is 1 quart of that STP automatic transmission fluid. That automatic transmission fluid is gonna give you the sriracha color. Next, 15 ounces of that oil treatment. Now this stuff is gonna be thick. I find it easiest to slowly pour it out, just so it doesn't get all clumped up in that funnel. And lastly, 5 ounces of that Hobby's bore cleaner. Put that lid on, shake it up. There we go, we got a gallon of gun sriracha. Now what we do is we take this gallon of gun sriracha and we put it in tiny little bottles that have a nice needle tip to it. So this gets in those nooks and crannies, the crevices of your slides, your rails, and it gets into those spring areas. It's just a really great application tool. And we keep these in our range bags or on our person whenever we're training, whenever we're shooting, or whenever we're cleaning. Thank you.